The 6630 has output impedance 25 ohms. 100 ohms can be switched auto level control ALC multi-step test function. SMD multi-step function provide the 50 groups of list mode setting. Each group contains up to 15 steps. ALC function is necessary to measure capacitor while capacitance more than 1 microfarad. Without ALC function, the measured capacitance could be lower than real value. Ultra-high measuring speed less than 3 milliseconds. Connect the LCR-6630 RS232 LAN GPIB or hand alert automatic machine.